You can go ahead. I love it. I'm in a video, Mom. I thought the mouth moved before. Oh, it's the end of the video. See ya. We're at Kroger right now.
You're totally taking a picture.
No, this is definitely still the video. We're totally at Kroger still. There's Laura, my loser best friend. I don't know why you did that to Milk. Go Bulldogs. Go Bulldogs. Beer. Go Bulldogs. And some sort of fruit. An avocado, apparently.
The purple avocado. Ah!
We did that.
It is purple. It's purple.
So we didn't lie about the color. It is kind of purple. It's like brown purple.
Shut up. It's purple. That's awesome.
It's so funny on YouTube.
Let's do it.
Hold on, let's just run around and be like, this is our Kroger.
Kroger!
Kroger! This is our wonderful juices.